Hi everyone, I wanted to go over how to get to the roadside inspection portion of your logbook. The easiest way I found is to go to the options menu when you are in your logbook and click on roadside inspection on the very bottom. Now this takes you to a different locked down area of the logbook so that you could actually hand your device to an officer if you were asked to. They can't get to anything else on this device other than this particular portion of it. The rest of it is all password protected with your password. So they can see your log, they can see the events tab right here, they can also see the details right here, and that is all that they can get to. When it's time for you to finish up with them, you can click on the home button and you can get out using your password, but you are not required to give them your password. If they ask for you to transfer the files to them, you are required to know how to do that. Now to do that, you're going to click on Data File Transfer right here at the bottom, and they are going to give you a code for what's called a web service. It's a quick code and it sends it to the DOT officer. So what you're going to do is, let's say that their code is D4TV. We're going to click on Done. And you'll see now that that is queued up. It is going to go through the cloud and get to them that way. You'll just click the OK button when you're done, and that is all that you have to do.